This is where Morristown has issued a warning tornado in Knox County, until 9:45 p.m. At 9, National Weather Service indicated as the thunders capable of producing a tornado 5 miles northwest of Kingston. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Oak Ridge, Clinton, Knoxville, Oliver Springs, Dearmond, Powell, Norris, and Halls. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing golf ball destructive straight-line winds. The safest place to be during a tornado is under a bench. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate the substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch, or other low spot with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m.